India's constitution is the soul of our democracy, designed to balance power and ensure justice for all, but today, that balance is at risk.
The judiciary, meant to interpret laws, is overstepping its role, forming investigative teams, monitoring cases, and even legislating. The opaque collegium system centralizes power, fostering corruption and nepotism, against the Constitution's spirit.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar envisioned a democracy where judiciary, parliament, and executive respect their roles. He championed judicial independence but demanded transparency and accountability. Article 50 separation of powers ensures no institution dominates another.
This power grab and lack of transparency have created a trust deficit. This imbalance weakens parliament, sidelines the executive, and derails India's governance, leaving citizens yearning for justice.
To restore balance, the judiciary must respect its limits and interpret, not legislate. Replace the collegium with a transparent, merit-based system, strengthen parliament and the executive, and open judicial processes to public scrutiny. Let's foster dialogue to rebuild trust and align with the Constitution's spirit.
It's time for India's institutions to reflect, reform, and rebuild trust. Together, we can honor Dr. Ambedkar's vision and ensure governance serves the people, not power. Let's embrace the Constitution's spirit for a stronger, inclusive India.